Welcome to Cooking with Gringo, where it's Copycat Monday. Why pay restaurant prices when you can cook it better at home? Today we're going to make Ihop Shortcake Pancakes. To a bowl, we're going to add in 1 3/4 cup all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of sugar, ½ teaspoon of baking powder, a ½ teaspoon of baking soda, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Let's get together a little. Now we're going to add in 1 1/2 cups of buttermilk, 1/3 cup of melted butter, and 1 egg. Now we're going to beat it with an electric mixer until it's smooth. Now that it's smooth, we're going to let it sit for 3 to 4 minutes. Put griddle hot, I'm going to butter it up. And we're going to scoop out our batter in ½ cup portions. Take out the last couple pancakes. Now they're done, it's time to turn off the heat. And it's time for pancakes assemble. So we're going to take 1 pancake and about 1/3 of a cup of blueberry pie filling. Add that to the pancake. Take a second pancake. We're going to take our canned whipped cream, create a border, our filling, and then another dollop of whipped cream. Now you can do apple pie instead of the blueberry, or get you some frozen strawberries and syrup and use that. Now it's time to dig in. Bon appetit. It's pancakes with pie filling. How could it be bad? So it cost us about $5 for this recipe. Serves 3 people, so it's less than $2 a person. It's not bad. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for watching.